Title: C-section delivery. What you need to know. A C-section, or cesarean section, is a surgery to deliver a baby through the mother's abdomen and uterus. Why it's done: prolonged or difficult labor, baby in breech position, multiple pregnancies like twins or triplets, placenta problems, health concerns for mother or baby. How it's done. The surgery usually takes 30 to 45 minutes under anesthesia. A small incision is made in the lower abdomen, then in the uterus, and the baby is delivered. Recovery. Most mothers stay in hospital for 2 to 4 days. Full recovery takes 4 to 6 weeks. Wound care, rest, and good nutrition are important. Always consult your doctor for the safest delivery method for you and your baby. Dr. Noshaba's OBS and Gynae Clinic. For appointment, WhatsApp +336440599.